Okay, so we had started with circular water tank. Okay, so let me just revise what we have done. So we have started with circular water tank with rigid base. So in rigid base, the behavior of the water tank is different as compared to the flexible base. So since it's a monolithic construction, you will have moment also. So for the design purpose, what we are doing, we are considering the bottom 1 meter or h by 3, whichever is greater, will be considered having cantilever effect, and above that we will consider the hook tension. So so what we will do first, we will analyze for the bottom portion as a cantilever effect, and then we will design for the hook tension also. Yes, my voice is not proper. Yes.
So it's okay now.
Okay. So the bottom 1 meter portion will act as cantilever, and above that will act as we will consider the hook tension. So there is a basic difference between circular water tank with flexible base and circular water tank with rigid base. So we have started with the first problem on a rigid base. So in this problem we have completed. So in this question we have to design a circular water tank with rigid base. So the same procedure as we have done in the previous problem. First we will find out the diameter of the tank, and then we will find out the thickness of the wall. Okay, and then we will analyze for the cantilever effect. So for the cantilever effect, we will consider 1.33 meter, which is greater than 1 meter, and then for that we will find out the resultant and the bending moment. Okay, the same way which we have done in retaining wall. And now comes the design part using WSM method. So for M25 and Fe415, sigma CBC is 9 and sigma ST is 150. Have you checked this?
So 230 is
230 है ना sigma ST?
yes sir.
Okay. ठीक है, तो for Fe415 and M25 sigma ST is 230, but we are considering for the water tank design. ठीक है, जो मैंने टेबल दिया था उसमें कितना है, चेक करो. ठीक है, so since we are designing the water tank, so we will take sigma ST. ठीक है, permissible stresses and tension. ठीक है, ये स्टील का है. परमिसिबल स्ट्रेस इन टेंशन इन स्टील, स्टील का एक टेबल दिया था मैंने,
130 sir.
130 है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 130 आएगा. सो मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे so take that sigma st as 130 and then find out the modular ratio. ठीक है, so you can find out the AST like this also. Then the neutral axis constant n and the lever arm constant j, if you find out, then AST is given by m upon sigma st into j into d. ठीक है, so find out the AST value, find out the AST and give me the value. ठीक है, न्यूट्रल एक्सिस कांस्टेंट निकालो, फिर जे निकालो. and then find out AST. Okay, so give me the value of AST and you write in the chat box. Okay, make a note of this quickly and find out the value of AST. Okay, moment will remain the same, correct? And the value of N will also be the same, J will be the same. So AST is given by M upon sigma ST into J. Yes, anyone got the value? Yes, please be quick. ठीक है, just इतना time नहीं लगना चाहिए. 1604 Arman Chauhan is saying. What about others? Okay, sigma HT 138 as per the new IS code. Okay, so sigma HT 130. Yes, others also getting the same value 1604.
So 1721.03.
1721. Yeah, why it is varying, Arman?
सर चेक करता हूँ मैं, रुको सर.
सर डी की वैल्यू 125 आएगी, हमने 175 कंसिडर किया है ना.
Okay, okay.
और एन भी चेंज होगा, वो 0.417 आएगा.
Okay, correct. N भी change होएगा. Perfect. Sigma ST is 130. Right. One 1723. Okay. ठीक है, so 1721 Devansh 1723. ठीक है, so basically N का वैल्यू चेंज होगा और J का भी वैल्यू चेंज होगा एंड D का वैल्यू भी चेंज होगा. करेक्ट. ठीक है, so small d is you are getting 125. Is that correct?
129.
129 ना. ओजस 125 कहा या तुमने 129 कहा? 5 का डिफरेंस है ना. 129 it should. Yes. Yes, or taking all the values properly, what is the final value of T?
1721.03.
1721. Or Rohit is saying 1723. Okay. Okay, so yeah, if you see this AST, ठीक है, तो हमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज किया है? बेसिकली MR इज इक्वल टू TU इंटू लीवर आर्म, राइट. ये MR इधर ही रहेगा. TU क्या है? सिग्मा ST इंटू AST लीवर आर्म D माइनस XC बाई 2. वैसा भी करेंगे तो सेम ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. So now Let us move on. So once you get the area, what is the next step? Very simple. Select a suitable diameter and find out the spacing. Okay. So select a suitable diameter and find out the spacing. ठीक है, diameter कितना select करेंगे?
So 20.
20. ठीक है, 20 करो. So let us assume 20 mm diameter. Let us assume 20 mm diameter and find out the spacing.
वन 182
182 आ रहा है.
हाँ सर.
ओके एंड स्पेसिंग का और एक क्राइटेरिया मैंने लास्ट टाइम बताया था. व्हाट वाज दैट? इट शुड बी लेस देन 300 mm. करेक्ट.
Yes sir.
And one more thing, anyone? So can we provide 182? Anyone?
Less than thickness.
Exactly. ठीक है, एक one more criteria था जो मैंने theory में बताया था, theory lecture में. The spacing should be less than 300 mm and also it should be less than the thickness of the wall. So thickness of the wall कितना consider किया है हमने?
175.
हाँ. So how much you are getting here spacing? 182.
Yes sir.
So we can provide 175 or 170. So let us provide 170 on the safer side. So provide 20 mm tor at 170 mm center to center. या वो फिर 175 भी कर सकते हो, no problem. Basically it should be less than the thickness of the wall. Okay, so now we got the main reinforcement. ठीक है, vertical steel मिल गया. So now we have to, once we provide the steel, we have to check with AST minimum also. So find out the value of AST minimum. AST minimum कितना है?
Sir. 306.25.
AST minimum is 306. What is the equation? AST minimum.
0.35% into 1000 into thickness divided by 2.
Okay. So 306, so which is less than, no problem. So you can just write there in bracket, okay, or which is less than AST required. So hence okay. No, but you have to provide the distribution steel also, ना? ये तो main हो गया, distribution provide करना है. So provide करो steel. So select a suitable diameter and find out the spacing for that.
Ten mm
हाँ, 10 mm select करो.
at 250 center to center.
10 mm at 250. Exact कितना आ रहा है? Spacing?
On 250 256.25.
Okay, please use the chat box. Others, write the value in the chat box. Yes, मैंने बोला write the values in the chat box. Why are you posting your attendance, Samina? ठीक है, so AST minimum 306 you're getting. So select a suitable diameter 10 mm. 10 tor at 250 आ रहा है.
Yes sir.
ठीक, exact value कितना आ रहा है?
254.25.
Okay, fine. ठीक है. ठीक है, so this is the old method. ठीक है, so as per the new code it is 0.35%. So now we got the distribution steel. Now write down the next step, calculation of horizontal reinforcement. या फिर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ हुक टेंशन, ठीक है। सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कैलकुलेशन ऑफ हुक टेंशन. सो यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस फिगर हुक टेंशन के लिए, ठीक है. आई होप द पीडीएफ इज विजिबल, और डू यू वांट मी टू ज़ूम इट? ठीक है. So now we have to find out the hook tension, correct? So bottom 1.33 का तो we have done with the analysis. So ऊपर remaining कितना है अभी? Height of water 1.4 minus 3.7, ठीक है. जो remaining distance है that will be okay. So then hook tension is given by gamma W into H into D by 2, correct? ठीक है. तो गामा W और H देखो यहाँ पे मैंने कैलकुलेट किया है. So you also calculate and give me the value of hook tension.
So how 2.37? Can you explain?
हाँ, टोटल कितना है 3.7. वाटर का हाइट कितना है 3.7, ठीक है. बॉटम 1.33 मीटर हमने कैंटिलीवर के लिए एनालिसिस किया, तो ऊपर कितना रिमेनिंग है डिस्टेंस? 3.7 माइनस 1.33.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो इसके लिए अभी हम लोग हुक टेंशन फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. सो हुक टेंशन इज गामा डब्ल्यू इंटू एच इंटू डी बाई 2, ठीक है. तो ये गामा डब्ल्यू इंटू एच कितना है? 10 इंटू 2.37, तो 23.67 इंटू डी बाई 2, ठीक है. डी इट इज 12 meters. So once you get the hoop tension, find out AST. AST is nothing but hoop tension upon safe stress in steel. अभी safe stress in steel कितना है? Yes, what is the stress?
So 130 आएगा ना?
Correct, 130. Perfect. ठीक है. So give me the value of AST.
1092.46.
1092.46, ठीक है. AST मिनिमम सेम रहेगा जो पहले कैलकुलेट किया. So now for this AST 10 कितना आ रहा है? What about others also getting the same value or not? Okay, so this is 109.42, ठीक है. So now let us assume suitable diameter. कितना diameter assume करना है?
16.
Okay, so let us assume 16 mm diameter and find out the spacing. So using 16 mm diameter, how much is the spacing? Please write in the chat box.
184.
184, ठीक है. So again we will provide, how much we will provide? Yes,
175 center to center.
175, ठीक है. So let us provide 175 या 170 भी provide कर सकते हो. So let us provide 16 torr at 170 center to center, ठीक है. thickness 175 है तो let us provide 170 center to center. Then find out AST provided also. सिक्सटीन टॉर एट 170 सेंटर टू सेंटर के लिए AST प्रोवाइडेड कितना आ रहा है? राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. ठीक
So
है,
for which part?
AST प्रोवाइडेड, अभी जो होप टेंशन के लिए जो स्टील निकाला है ना, ओके 1182. All of you please write in the chat box the values you are getting. ठीक है, ठीक है, AST provided मिल गया. Now what is the next steps after this, anyone? So basically we are designing a circular water tank. तो हमने बॉटम पोर्शन के लिए भी एनालिसिस कर दिया, टॉप पोर्शन होप टेंशन के लिए भी एनालिसिस कर दिया, बॉटम के लिए भी स्टील निकाला, मेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, टॉप पोर्शन के लिए भी मेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्टील we have calculated. Now what is remaining?
Check
Check. Which check?
thickness of the
Perfect. Yes, absolutely correct. Check for thickness we will do now. So what is the equation for that? Start with the last step, which is check for thickness. Okay, and after that obviously base slab you have to decide a suitable thickness and minimum reinforcement. So now check for thickness, all of you give me the value. So T dash should be less than T, where T dash is T upon 1000 into thickness plus M minus 1 into AST provided. Okay, so this AST provided just now we have calculated for hoop tension. Okay, so put the values accordingly what we have taken and accordingly give me the value.
Zero point 763.
0.763. Write in the chat box. What about others? Others also getting the same value? Okay, so this value should be less than T. What is the value of T?
142.02 into 10 raised to 3.
That is the hoop tension. Na? I'm talking about small t. T dash हमने
175.
I'm not asking that.
1.3. 1.3.
Okay, so I hope everyone you should remember this permissible value. Okay, ये वाला permissible value for M25 grade it is 1.3. Correct? .804. Rohit is saying 0.804. So this T is 1.3. So T dash is less than 1.3. So hence it is safe. Yes, what about others? T dash का value कितना आ रहा है? Write in the chat box. ठीक है, all the values, put the values correctly and give me the value. Ojas, how much you said? Write in the chat box. .784 Shurab ji. Ojas 0.76. Why it is varying? Three
So
different
thickness
answers.
would be 175 ना?
Correct. Thickness is 175. जो values हमने लिया है उसके लिए बताओ.
So तो अगर 0.763 आ रहा है.
Okay, Rohit. Now he's saying 0.763. Arman is still saying 0.8. Devansh 0.763. अच्छा, शोराब जी को भी अभी मिला. Okay, so now majority of you are saying 0.763. Okay, so it should be the same value, not should not vary by much. Okay, 0.01 something decimal में difference है, it's okay, fine. Okay. Okay, so now we have done the check for thickness also. So now you can finally just mention the design of the base slab like we did in the previous problem, and then draw the reinforcement detailing. So now let us see the reinforcement detailing. Okay, base slab you can provide a suitable thickness and provide the minimum steel in both the directions. ठीक है, तो base slab का thickness कितना provide करेंगे?
175.
175, no problem. ठीक है. So now after that you can draw the reinforcement detailing. So this is the reinforcement detailing of a circular water tank with rigid base. ठीक है, तो स्टील का प्लेसमेंट चेक करो. स्टील विल बी लाइक दिस. ठीक है, जो वॉल में जो स्टील प्रोवाइड किया है, what we have provided, tell me. Okay, I'll just write down here. So this steel will be how much? Main steel कितना प्रोवाइड किया है?
20 mm torque at 175 center to center.
So this is 20 torque at 170 center to center. ठीक है, so I hope this is clear. So this is 20 torque at 170 और distribution कितना है?
So what?
Distribution steel is how much we have provided?
So your voice is breaking.
Yes, hello. Distribution steel. Yes, am I
10
audible?
torque at 250.
Yes, so write down the distribution steel 10 torque at 250, and base slab पे you can provide the minimum steel in both the direction, 10 torque at 250. Draw the reinforcement detailing, everyone.
So distribution steel 10 torque at 250 mm.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I hope everyone has drawn the reinforcement detailing. So with this, we have completed the approximate design of a circular water tank. So the next numerical which we will do is design of circular water tank by IS code method. Okay, so that we will do in the next lecture.